Now we'll get back to the remove fruit, DEF, and remove fruit. And again, we're going to pass it the whole data structure. And the first thing we want to do is list the fruit. Luckily, I have that ready to go. We're going to pass that through the data again. And then we're going to say str remove is going to be input, enter the ID of the fruit to remove. Okay, so we're going to do that. And then to remove the fruit, we're going to say d data. And we're going to say pop. We're going to put that in a variable, strtemp. Actually, not strtemp. That's because it's going to be a dictionary object. Let's be good here about our stuff. And we're going to say str remove. Now, if the person enters the ID and it doesn't exist, we could have problems here. So I'm going to do a little bit of data checking real quick here. I'm going to say if str rem in the data, then we're going to remove it, print. Okay, we're going to print, we've got an F string here, and we're going to say d data st, oh no, dtemp, and then name was removed. Okay, so that gives me that feedback, and if I say else, now I could put them in a captive loop here, but I don't really need to. We'll just give them an error message. Print that ID was not found. Okay, so that at least checks to make sure that the element exists. So it's looking for the key inside that data, and it will say it'll remove it if it's there, and if it's not, then it says it was not found. So let's test out the remove fruit function real quick. And I'm going to pass that the dfruit, our main data structure, right? I'm going to use that, pass that into this here, and we'll run that. So it does the list fruit, then the ID that I want to remove, fr1. Oops, I did something wrong. Data, oh, that's why. That should be dtemp right here, or just should be that. Dtemp, my bad. All right, so just dtemp, not ddata, because dtemp isn't inside ddata. That's what was removed. Let's do this again. fr1, apples was removed. Okay. Should probably say apples were removed, but this is not an English class. All right, so the fruit category apples was removed. That's what I meant by that. All right, so I've got my functions, right? I built them, I've tested them, they work the way I want them to. Now all I have to do is build the UI.